Oh.
Hello?
Hello?
Who are you?
Hello, who is this?
Why you tell me the things like this?
Who is this?
Fuck you, asshole.
Huh?
I'm son of a bitch, right?
Who is this?
You are the cop. You are the cop.
I'm gonna send, in 60 seconds, I'm gonna send somebody over there to crush your ass like a fly.
You're the Vincent Celo's fan, right?
Hello? What?
Ask him to come to my home.
Who you?
Okay, you want to scare me or you want to talk to the police?
If you don't get out of my life, I'm gonna send a death for you 3 or 4 times, okay? And when I do, you're gonna wish you never had to bother me, my friend. You don't know who I am, do you? Huh?
Who are you now?
You don't know who I am, do you?
Who are you?
You don't know who I am, do you?
I'm son of a bitch, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna send death for you like you never seen me before.
Okay, you fuck me asshole.
And you wish you never had a mess with me, you funny fool. I don't know who the hell you think you are, but I tell you one thing. When I send this death for your ass, you wish you never had a...
I don't want you.
Makatari is coming for you, okay? Makatari is coming for you. And when I send Makatari, you wish you never had to dial my phone again, okay? Makatari. Hello?
Son of a bitch.
Makatari is coming for you, my friend, and you wish you never had to bother me. And you'll look right in your face. It's gonna tell you, said, I am Makatari, and you're gonna shit all over yourself. It's gonna be too late.
Okay, you fuck me asshole.